Hi, welcome on. In this example, we're going to create a fake shadows using Adobe application. So let's get inside. So here I picked shoe hanging from a Google. So this is the picture which I was just using for this exercise. And we just got into the Photoshop, and what I did is I just tried to start emptying the background out. So we cut out the background using our object selection tool. So that's how you can select your subject, and rest of the thing invert selected and delete it out. So here quickly, what you do is we'll just start creating a layer, and then let's put some white color and just pull this one as a backside. Now above this white, pick a new layer. Now, general way of doing a shadow is we'll take this particular subject and duplicate it and transform it and all. But in this case, we'll start working with the brush tools. So see this interesting exercise here. I'm using a brush tool right over there, and just try to in case if your caps lock is on, so make sure to turn it off so that you can start seeing your brush size. Increase your brush size in a good decent size. I think that should be good enough. Yeah, that should be good enough. So come right over there on top. So if you notice, we have our size here, and can you see the circle right over there? So try to start stretching it out so that you have a flat surface, something like this. That's pretty good. Can you see right there? Yeah. So you can just bend it down a little bit more. Yeah. And then can you see we have our flow? Uh, so you can see this, we have the flow here. So just try to do it like a bit, like around 40% or 50% somewhere. Yeah, that should be good enough. Right. And we have a color black, and we are in a new layer. Just try to start adding a color here on the bottom. So you can just save this and just add one more. Yeah. Now notice right now we have the color and coming up, and nicely it's been coming up. But what if in case you see there is extra, bleeding of the shadows here, right from here, and right from here also, something like that. So quickly, instead of using the eraser tool, start erasing it up. So use the technique called as layer mask. Just use the layer mask right there, and use the brush tool this time. I'm going to reset it back. Now increase your brush size, or maybe use a gradient. And we know, we are using a black and white as a gradient right now. We are in layer mask. Try to drag the layer mask here. Now can you see it try to start automatically, like trim off here some of your shadows, because it's going to get hide under your black layer. That's very interesting. I'm just putting dry extra. Can you see right now? That's what I'm going to say. So just add somewhere like this. And even from here also, you use your same brush tool and get your black surface. Can you see right now? You can just try to start, escaping now. So keep your brush more softened. So you can have some, like, good amount of softage. That's good. And maybe a little increase the brush size and somewhere there. And you can just work with opacity, like shadows, how much you want. So that's a small example, like, how to create a fake shadows. Hope this session will be helpful. See you in the next topic. Thanks for watching.